Ladies and gentlemen,
muli po, bigyan po natin ang malakas sa palakpak ang ating pong mahal na Pangulo.
Kayo at ako, araw-araw hinaharap marami akin ng mamamayan. Nananawagan po, ako na kilalanin na rin ang tiwalang kaloob.
thank you, Mr. President. We are very honored to have you here today. Mabuhay ang Pangulong Noynoy Aquino! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! To show our gratitude and appreciation, we are now calling our National Liga President and members of the board to present the plaque of appreciation.
It is our honor as the National Executive Board to award to our President. National Liga ng mga Barangay, with honor and gratitude, presents the plaque of appreciation to His Excellency Benigno S. C. Aquino III, President of the Republic of the Philippines, in grateful recognition and appreciation for the precious time he shared as guest speaker to inspire and boost the morale of the National Liga ng mga Barangay officers and member. Given this 30th day of July 2010, during the National Liga ng mga Barangay Convention held at SMX Mall of Asia, Pasay City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Signed, Honorable R.J. Echeverry and all the National Executive Board. Please accept our humble